Cocopeat DIY transform your garden soil. Want to improve your gardening game? Discover the secret soil enhancer, Cocopeat. This natural wonder can revolutionize your plant care routine. Say goodbye to dry, nutrient-poor soil and hello to lush, thriving gardens with this amazing, eco-friendly solution. Cocopeat, also known as coir pith, is a byproduct of coconut processing. It is derived from the husk of coconuts, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional peat moss. Lightweight and easy to handle, Cocopeat enhances soil structure and moisture retention. Cocopeat benefits both plants and soil health. It improves water retention, ensuring your plants stay hydrated longer. Additionally, it enhances soil aeration and allows roots to breathe, promoting robust growth. Its natural antifungal properties also help reduce soil-borne diseases. Cocopeat is an environmentally friendly choice. Unlike peat moss, harvesting cocopeat doesn't harm natural ecosystems. It repurposes coconut waste, reducing landfill accumulation. Choosing cocopeat over traditional soil enhancers supports sustainable gardening practices and helps protect our planet. To make cocopeat at home, you need coconut husks, water, a container for soaking, and tools for breaking down and grinding the husk. Having a sieve for separating fine particles is also essential for producing high-quality cocopeat. Coconut husks can be sourced from local markets or grocery stores that sell fresh coconuts. Look for husks that are free from mold and damage. Collecting them after coconut water extraction is ideal, as they're usually discarded and easy to obtain. Once you've gathered the coconut husks, soak them in water for at least 24 hours. This helps soften the fibers, making them easier to break down. Use a large container or bucket, ensuring the husks are fully submerged for optimal results. After soaking, the husks need to be broken down into smaller pieces. You can use a hammer, a machete, or even a sturdy pair of scissors. The goal is to shred the husks into manageable sizes, facilitating the drying and grinding processes. Next, spread out the husk pieces on a clean surface under direct sunlight. Allow them to dry completely, which can take several days depending on the weather. Ensure they are regularly turned to promote even drying and prevent mold growth. Once the husks are fully dried, grind them into fine particles using a grinder or a food processor. This step may take some time, so be patient. The finer the particles, the better the quality of the cocopeat you'll produce. Sieving the ground husk to obtain fine cocopeat is a crucial step. Using a fine mesh sieve, gently shake the ground husk to separate larger fibers from the fine particles. This ensures a consistent texture for optimal soil enhancement. Proper storage of cocopeat ensures its longevity and effectiveness. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Use airtight containers or sturdy bags to prevent moisture and contaminants from affecting the quality of your homemade cocopeat. Cocopeat can be used in various gardening applications. It is excellent for seed starting, as a soil amendment, or even as a hydroponic medium. Mix it with garden soil to improve texture and retain moisture for healthier plant growth. Creating a potting mix with cocopeat is simple. Combine equal parts of cocopeat, compost, and perlite or vermiculite. This mix provides excellent drainage, aeration, and nutrient retention, giving your potted plants the perfect environment to thrive. One of cocopeat's standout features is its water retention capability. It can hold up to 8 times its weight in water, ensuring your plants stay hydrated for longer periods. This reduces the frequency of watering and helps maintain consistent soil moisture. Cocopeat significantly enhances soil aeration by creating a loose, airy structure. This allows roots to breathe more easily, promoting healthier growth. Improved aeration also helps in preventing soil compaction, ensuring that your plant's roots can expand and thrive. Nutrient absorption is another benefit of cocopeat. Its fibrous texture helps retain essential nutrients, making them more readily available to plants. This ensures that your garden receives a steady supply of the nutrients needed for robust growth and vibrant blooms. Cocopeat can also help in reducing pests. Its texture and composition create an inhospitable environment for many soil-borne pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. This natural pest resistance contributes to a healthier, more organic garden environment. Comparing the cost of homemade cocoa peat to store-bought alternatives reveals significant savings. By making cocoa peat at home, you can reduce gardening expenses while still providing high-quality soil amendments. This cost-effectiveness makes cocoa peat a smart choice for budget-conscious gardeners. Sustainability is a key advantage of making cocoa peat at home. Utilizing coconut husks, a renewable resource, reduces waste and lessens environmental impact. This eco-friendly practice supports sustainable gardening, helping you cultivate a greener and more responsible garden. If you encounter issues like improper drying leading to mold growth, ensure proper ventilation and sunlight. For inconsistent particle sizes, adjust your grinding technique. Addressing these common problems can help you achieve high-quality cocoa peat for your gardening needs. Ready to boost your garden? Start making your own cocoa peat today. Like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Your plants will thank you, and you'll enjoy the satisfaction of a healthier, more sustainable garden.